in effect from this evening to early Friday afternoon. What? Moderate flooding is forecast. Where? Millstone River at Blackwell's Mills. When? From this evening to early Friday afternoon. Impacts. At 6.0 feet, the Griggstown Causeway is closed due to flooding. At 7.0 feet, several more causeways are closed due to flooding. At 9.0 feet, flood stage reached with flooding now along River Road in Blackwell's Mills and south. River Street in Millstone. Base of Route 533 bridge floods. River Road between Yorktown and Amsterdam is subject to closure. Canal Road near Sidham Road floods. At 10.0 feet, the DNR Canal is flooded by the Millstone River. Additional details. At 10:15 a.m. Wednesday, the stage was 7.0 feet. Forecast. The river is expected to rise above flood stage this evening to a crest of 10.7 feet tomorrow morning. It will then fall below flood stage Friday morning. Flood stage is 9.0 feet. Flood history. This crest compares to a previous crest of 10.8 feet on June 10, 1989.